Today I'm sharing an unboxing of this beautiful Carote Dutch oven. I have to say the design alone caught my eye and immediately I added to cart. This one has the white enamel finish and the blue floral design, which I'll have to say is absolutely gorgeous. I've never added something to cart so fast. It is beautifully boxed, which makes it a great gift idea too. It would look absolutely gorgeous just sitting on your stovetop. The lid does have the golden handle at the top that adds to the beauty of this pot. It also comes with some accessories. It comes with 3 pot holders that are the same design as the Dutch oven. So it comes with 1 rectangular pot holder and then you have 2 pot gloves in there. Let's go ahead and take a look at them straight out of there. So there is the pot holder here, and then you have the gloves that come right with it. They have the rubber grips on them that makes them more heat resistant and able to grab things easier with them. Yes, and they are totally cute. These type of Dutch ovens are very versatile. You can use them on the stovetop or you can use them in the oven up to 500 degrees. You can make things like hearty soups, stews, chili, braised meats, pastas, great for searing meat, rice dishes, just an array. You can cook everything in these. I will be hopping on here with some soup and other meals that I'll be making with this next week, so stay tuned for those videos. I just really couldn't wait to share with you guys this gorgeous pot that I got. This Dutch oven is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm going to leave a link for it in the description if you guys want to check it out. If you guys want to see a soup recipe, subscribe so you don't miss it.